I'm a guy with custom audio. Right now we got a 2014 Street Glide. We're going to do a rake kit, 26-inch rake kit. We're going to do a full stereo system. We'll walk around and see, what started the disassembly process. We're going to put something in the bags, let you see what is in there. Put the radio back in, and we cut you back on when we get started.
MacGyver beats. 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 MacGyver beats.
Big Al!
What up?
Oh, look, cameras is rolling.
Yeah, you look bright like the sun, man.
I'm saying, that's what I should look like, you know what I'm saying?
Shining bright like a
So
diamond.
you call me son because I shine, not because I'm yours.
I think base is that color.
What? Yep, just the same color as base.
Wow.
Big Al!
MacGyver beats. MacGyver beats.
Jack, can I take my mic out to the
Yes, sir.
To the point, my friend wanted me.
My friend wanted me over here.
Friend wanna play with you?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, take it out. Take it out. But I got you. Oh. Yeah, I got you.
I'm going to give you your phone because I need to charge this one anyway. This is about to die. Your key still in it?
No. You keep.
Yeah, I don't got my key.
Plug the charger when you finish eating. Wait till you finish eating.
Oh,
Just when you sit down, just pull it out and just sit on the side. Just cross it.
thank you. Well, Jack, can I go play with my friends?
See, they come in here bothering me. I'm trying to work. I'm getting harassed over here.
I'm just trying to test all of this magnificence over here in this Road King that he did. That's called excellence right there. This is called MacGyver Custom Audio. We need to just change it to MacGyver Customs.
Trusty side.
And his trusty sidekick, Grego. the legendary Grego.
This is us out here working amongst the coronavirus.
We outside.
Coronavirus Chronicles.
The saga continues.
Wow.
Word up.
That should sound like a movie.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go pull this off. That's plastic.
Niggas might be documenting their own deaths and shit.
That's some bullshit.
Word up.
Damn, Grego. Come on.
Real bullshit right there.
That's some bullshit to say. Come on.
I'm not trying to scare nobody.
Well, come on. Yo, this nigga here. Now you got me calling this nigga here.
This nigga, yeah. You gotta do a Gilligan on me. With the hat.
Shit.
Well, if it happened, they'd see we went happy.
Mac, where you want me to put this over here?
Yeah, just toss this out.
No, I'm talking about
On the phone? Yeah, you can put it over there. I'm far from leaving the phone.
Oh, man.
Freeze it out. Oh, that light's charging?
Huh?
The light over there? That you put
Oh,
over
yeah.
there, is it charging?
It should be charged, but still red.
What about the one underneath it? See if that motherfucker turn on. Yeah. Remember, the thing, bro.
Oh,
that
yeah.
side, yeah. Thanks to Alex, buddy.
just happened.
Yeah, what is that?
That was the phone?
Yeah.
You can pull that wire down from that first thing. You pull the wire out that. Pull the wire down.
What
so you
wire?
don't stretch it.
This one?
Yeah, take that out from over there. You got to unplug from the phone.
Oh.
Yeah, take that out.
Take it all the way out?
Yeah, now put it. So you got to worry about when you turn.
Oh.
I'm stuck it up here to keep it out the way.
There we go. Gave my daughter Alexis.
You can move it. You could,
He trying to get me out quick.
Nah, what I'm saying is, if I'm trying to get you out quick, I tell you, why you phone your phone, take it out and put the phone on out there. So when you turn the music on, it's going to be blasting. I tell them that all the time. But
No, I'm trying to just, I don't like having things in my hand when I'm trying to mess with the phone, with the
put it in
bike.
your pocket. Oh, you got skin jeans.
I got no Slim Jones. You know what I'm saying? There. Let me just say this to you.
That's that black joint.
So let me say this.
Oh, the creations by Crow. He make his own drip.
We make our own drip. Us. so yeah, you see that MacGyver custom motor? We made that together. So
MacGyver beats. MacGyver beats. MacGyver beats. MacGyver beats. MacGyver beats. MacGyver beats. MacGyver beats.
You got the rake kit on. Next up, take the rotors off, put them on the new rim. Get these shocks painted on the bottom, extensions on already. paint those bottoms black. Sensors is on.
MacGyver beats.
We got the triple trees on. Get ready to run a wire harness for the audio. Fork is painted. Install those. There was the aluminum finish, painted in black to match the brake kit. Got the rake kit on, wheel on. MacGyver custom audio. Rake kit is done. The wheel is on. Waiting for the front fenders that paint. Got back half done on the bike. You see, speakers in, amps is in, tweeters is in. Got quick connectors here. The other side, speakers is in. Quick connectors right here. Also got to do lights on this bike. I'm working on putting the lowers on. I got to check this air filter because I don't think it's going to go on with that air filter. Got the pods in. I'll do something to the front. Get the big wheel on. I should be getting the fender today. Alright, it's looking good. Coming along. Yeah, she's coming along. Got the lowers on. Bars. Front and back on. Got some pegs. Put some pegs.
MacGyver beats. MacGyver beats.